hopefully you guys have come with a cleansed face and toned skin. And depending on what time of day you will be incorporating this at home, you can do it in the morning after your morning skincare routine to help minimize puffiness from the night before and to help you feel ready to face the day ahead. Or you can do your Gua Sha sequence at night after your evening skincare routine. Personally, this is my favorite time to incorporate this ritual because it helps to relax any muscle tension and help to promote a really restful sleep. But regardless, you want to make sure that you start with cleansed and toned skin. Then you'll follow up with your skin-specific serum and or beauty cream. If you feel like your skin is pretty balanced and you just need one light layer of serum, that's perfect. But if your skin is feeling a little more thirsty, you can layer the two together. Today, I'm going to combine our lavender complexion mist and soothing serum. The herbs in each of these products help to deeply soothe and heal my skin, and the aroma is incredibly relaxing, which is exactly what I need for my first ever live training. So typically for my home care practice as well, I'll alternate between our skin-specific serums like clarifying and plumping, and even our OG serum, Fancy Face, depending on what my skin is needing that day. So with your serum, you're going to apply about 8 to 10 drops to your face, neck, décolleté, and back of neck for the full Gua Sha sequence. And you want to keep in mind that you don't want to apply too much oil where the stone slips right off the skin. We do want a little bit of pulling and tugging action to happen. So go ahead and apply your toner. I'm going to apply a few mists of lavender complexion mist. And then your serum. Again, about 8 to 10 drops. To your face, your neck, your décolleté, and even remembering the back of the neck. By massaging and pressing in your serum, you're helping to provide that proper prep for your Gua Sha stone and helping to infuse your nutrient-dense ingredients even deeper into the skin.